Everyone wants to make money from YouTube, but most people quit before they ever get results. The truth is you do not need expensive equipment, you do not need millions of subscribers, and you do not even need to show your face. In this video, I'll show you simple ways beginners are making money from YouTube in 2026. So let's begin. First, choose the right niche. A niche is the topic of your channel. If you talk about everything, people won't know why they should subscribe. Some of the best niches right now are tech, AI tools, motivation, finance, health tips, Islamic content, gaming, and storytelling. Choose something people search for every day. Second, create videos consistently. Most creators fail because they upload 3 videos and disappear. YouTube rewards consistency. Even if your first videos get only 10 views, keep uploading. Remember, every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. Third, make videos people actually watch. Your intro matters a lot. Instead of saying, "Hey guys, welcome back," start with a hook like, "This one mistake is stopping your YouTube growth." That creates curiosity. Also keep your videos fast-paced. Remove boring parts, add captions, zoom effects, and background music. Fourth, thumbnails and titles are everything. People click because of emotion. Bad title: My daily routine. Better title: How I changed my life in 30 days. Bad thumbnail equals no clicks. Good thumbnail equals more views. Fifth, use YouTube Shorts. Thousands of subscribers using Shorts. You can post quick tips, facts, motivation, tools, or mini tutorials. One viral short can bring massive traffic to your channel. Now, let's talk about money. There are many ways to earn from YouTube: ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, selling products, and promoting digital courses. Even small channels can earn money using affiliate links. For example, you recommend a product, someone buys it, and you earn commission. And finally, don't compare yourself to big creators. Most successful YouTubers spent years learning before they became successful. Focus on improving one video at a time. Your first goal is not money. Your first goal is attention. Because attention creates income. If you stay consistent, improve your content, and never quit, YouTube can completely change your life. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content about YouTube growth, AI tools, and online income.